Hi, welcome to my channel, Little Box of Happy. I have my very first Natalie Attired unboxing for you today. A shout out to Bonnie F, who had suggested I give this subscription service a try. It is, you get 5 pieces and you have, I believe it's 3 days to try everything on and decide what you want to keep and mail back what you don't keep. And if you keep all 5 items, you get 20% off everything. So let's see what is in here. Oh, I did get an email saying that for the month of May you would get a free gift. I'm guessing that's what this is, possibly. In honor of Mother's Day it was. So I have this. And here is my bundle. Very nicely wrapped with a little sticker, so let me rip into this because it's going to be necessary. So I do have a handwritten note that says, "Hi, included are 2 outfits. The pink top will layer great with the kimono and jean. Any basic tee in your wardrobe will be cute with the rest, and white capris. I look forward to your feedback and hope you enjoy your first Natalie collection. And Evie is my stylist." So we got a little bit of a spoiler alert there as to what might be in here. So right off the bat, if I kept everything, it would be $357. So I would, there was a $20 styling fee, which will be credited towards anything I purchase from this collection, plus an additional 20% off of that if I keep everything. And I did get an envelope to return everything. So let's see what's here. Let's do the little box first. It's a little bracelet. It says "Celebrating You. Celebrate life in brass. Enjoy your gift, the Natalie Attired team." So it's very cute. It's a little bracelet here. Let's see if I can get it out. There we go. Okay, can you see that? Let's see if I can get it on. Maybe not. Okay, I got it on. A little hook. All right, I'll get this in a minute, but very cute. All right, what else is here? Keep my price sheet. Okay, so this is a little tank with lace, and it is $52, I see. Tribal short sleeve V-neck lace combo top. I like the color. It's cute for spring. Not bad. Okay, that was the first one. Okay, this must be the kimono. It is $38. That's not bad. I like this pattern. That's really pretty. I think I can do a lot with that. What do you think? All right, and it's a little bit longer. So let's see what that looks like. Next up, floral patch capris, $89. And who are these by? These are tribal jeans. Oh, I see. See the patch there? And they are cuffed. I don't know what I think about the patch. It's different. I don't have anything like that. So it's just on one side. That'll be interesting to try on. Okay. Okay, this is a tribal shawl collar drawstring vest for $89. It's kind of cute. It has this little detailing here on the trim detailing. It's a pocket, a little drawstring waist. Okay. Looking forward to trying that on. That's different. It goes with the jeans. Alright, and last is an embroidered capri, also by Tribal Jeans, for $89. I think this would be why my total is $357 before any discounts, because I have three $89 items. Okay, white capris, and this is the embroidery at the bottom. And that is green as well. Okay, what do you guys think? All right, let's see what this stuff looks like on. I'll be back. Okay, so here is the first outfit, the pink tank and the kimono, and the jeans with the little floral patch here. So, the jeans are nice. They are higher waisted, which I don't know. I guess everyone wants higher waisted jeans, or that seems to be the style now. I'm not sure what I think of them, but they fit nicely. I think they're comfortable. The kimono's cute. It's long, but it's cute. I don't mind this pattern. I think you could do a lot with it. All right, and then this tank is actually very cute, except for it's big. I have a tank on underneath, and I would probably have to wear something underneath it if I kept this. So it all depends on how much I like. If I want to get the 20% off, I do like this little lace detail on the front and the back. All right, so let me try on something else. I would like to hear what you guys think of this outfit. Next outfit, I just left the pink tank on. I put on this green vest and the white jeans with the green embroidery trim. And what do you think? This, I have it tied. I love these little pockets it has here, and I don't mind this detailing. I think it's kind of cute. It's very wrinkled, so it definitely needs to be ironed. I tied it, which I think doesn't look too bad. You can also leave it open for more of a drapey look. What's that look like? Okay, so I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I would love to hear it. I need some help because I'm really not sure how I feel about all of these pieces. Especially because this vest was $89, the white jeans were $89, the other jeans were $89. Okay, I'll be back for a quick wrap up. Okay, let's run through these items real quick. I definitely need some help. What did you guys think of these white capris? I'm not sure about these. This may be a little too cute. I'm not sure. They seem to fit okay. I'm just not sure they look that great. What did you think? They were $89. I thought the pink tank was cute. I like the lace detail. It's a cute little easy piece. That one was only, well, that one was, it was $52. What do you think about that one? The kimono. This was the cheapest thing in the box. I think the pattern's cute. I didn't mind it. I liked it. I don't know if I love it, but I liked it. $38. The vest. how did this look? It's very drapey. I think you could wear it a couple different ways. Again, it was also $89. So did it look like it was worth keeping for $89? And the jeans with the little floral patch, and the other knee is actually distressed. So, oh, and I did get the bracelet on. You can see that. It just has like a little hook on it, and it's cute. It's gold color. All right, so $357 would be my total, minus $20 for the styling fee would be $337, and then I guess I would get 20% off of that, which would be what? Like another $60. So it'd be just under $300, I guess, if I kept all 5 pieces. So what do you guys think? Is it worth it for that? Or is there something that stood out here that I should keep? I'm very undecided. I'm not sure. It's not a bad box. I will definitely try Natalie Attired again. Thank you again to Bonnie F for suggesting it. So I think they were on the right track, and I need to think about this stuff. But this box came yesterday, so I think that means I have to hurry up and decide by tomorrow what I want to keep. And I'm really very undecided, so help me, please. I love comments. I try to respond to all comments, so please, if you want to see more videos and you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a few more boxes to get through. I have a trunk club here sitting beside me. I also have a new FabFitFun style box I need to get to as well. So I really appreciate you watching, and again, hit like, subscribe to my channel, and give me some comments and some feedback. Really appreciate it. Thanks.